Alright, it is time to put on the exhaust. I'm going to kind of retrofit it. It's probably not going to sound the best right now, but I don't care. I just want to get it on, honestly. It's a full 3-inch, so I'm going to have to change the lighting a little bit. Full 3-inch, so I'm going to have to go to the shop and get my test pipe modified a little bit too, just to make it fit. But yeah, just gonna get this done, fuck it. Alright, got the car in here. About to fucking do this shit, jack it up, swap on the exhaust. It turns out Motordyne actually only sent me 5 out of the 6 mounts, so looks like I'm gonna have to go some Tomei style and just do a single exit for the night until they can get me the last clamp, or I can find one at Home Depot. I called Home Depot, no one answered, and they close in 19 minutes, so I'm not trying to rush there. I'll probably hit it up in the morning or something. Alright, so running into problem number 2. It's hitting the center diff right now. The Y pipe, the custom Y pipe, the 3-inch all the way through. It's super dark under here. I'm trying to get some light. Probably still hard to see, but yeah, gonna try flipping it over and seeing if it fits better that way, and messing with the different Y pipes and seeing if just swapping them to the other side will help. But yeah, stay tuned. Alright, so super sad, but looks like my custom 3-inch from Motordyne is not gonna fit. Just isn't clearing the differential in there, so it needed to come out a little bit more and then go into this in order to fit, because it's snagging right here. So I'm just going to put on the normal 2.5-inch piping that leads into the 3-inch that they normally do. So hopefully I can send this back to them. They can mess with it a little more, maybe get it how it should be, and then I'll get it back in my hands and hopefully have it back on this in some time. It's pretty dark in here. Sorry if this video is going to be dark. Alright, so it's going on more. Have it connected here. The resonator. And then going over here. Can't even see it at all. Trying to use my phone for the light. But I can't really see it. It's going in. Almost done. It's about 12:20. Alright, it's like 1 something or almost 1. Neighbors probably hate me. If the roommates can hear me, they probably hate me for working on the car. Definitely a 2-man job for this exhaust, just because of how you have to hold it up, maneuver it. I have it just about all the way done. Just need to get the rear mufflers on it, or resonators, whatever you want to call them, and the tips. I'm going to do that tomorrow after class. Fuck you, moth. But yeah, I'm going to back this out of the garage, close it up, and go to bed. Got class at 8 a.m. Alright, back next morning. Just the tips are left.
Just the tip.
Just the tip. Always just the tip. That's all they can ever fit in, is just the tip. But the exhaust is all done up. Everything's all tightened.
But for Tony, it's the whole thing.
Called out. Tony probably won't even hear this because he doesn't watch my videos. Fuck that guy. But yeah, sticks out a little bit. Do a startup in a second. Yay!
Do a rep for the boys. Oh shit. How much clearance is there with the tips? Are they cool? Yeah, keep on going. Oh, it's totally fine. Don't run over my lip. Bye, Maybo. Fucking ricer. Oh, look at this car. So is it a Honda? Or is it an Acura? I don't know. I don't know yet. The car's pretty conflicted. Freaking wheels. Yeah, they decent tires. Fucking cheap tires. It's starting to rain. I got the sniffles. Pretty much I'm gonna get pretty sick from this shit. Maybo's still stepping on it. God damn it. Oh yeah, it's storming out here. I'm gonna go inside the garage. Oh, thought that was thought that was Maybo. It's just a Prius. Weird. Garbage. Not garbage. Maybo's fucking drag wheel. Yeah, he's that guy. Just be stepping on it everywhere he goes. Clean. Those tips though.